the net current flowing in the given circuit is. So this is the given circuit. Now here we can see that a DC supply voltage of 2 volt is used here, and a capacitor of 1 microfarad is also used. Now we know that the capacitor allows only AC current, but it blocks DC current. So the current will not flow through this branch, that is, the current will not flow in this branch, that is through 2.5 ohms. So from A the current will not go to the 2.5 ohm, because this 1 microfarad capacitor blocks the DC current. Basically it cuts the circuit from here for DC. So for this region, this region will not get any supply. So effectively the circuit becomes this, that is, if we consider this portion is not here due to the capacitor, so the current will not flow through this branch. Now consider this circuit. Let's say this is the point A, this is B, C and D. Now look carefully between AB and A, B and C. So B and C are basically the same point, because there is no resistance. So B and C are at the same potential. So from A to B there is a 6 ohm resistance. This means from A to C there is a 3 ohm resistance, and B or C are the same points. So it is basically from A there are two resistance, one goes through 6 ohm to B and another goes through 3 ohm to B or C. So this is the point B or C. So 6 and 3 ohm are in parallel combination. Now the resultant of parallel combination is 6 into 3 by 6 plus 3, that is 18 divided by 9 equal to 2 ohm. So between A and B or C there is a 2 ohm resistance. Now if we draw again this circuit, so 2 volt supply, this is point D, this is 2 ohm. Now A and B there is a resistance of 2 ohm, the equivalent of 6 and 3, and this point is C, and another resistance 4 ohm is connected like that. Now these 2 ohm and 2 ohm are in series, so 2 and 2 4, and this 4 ohm is also in parallel. So the total resistance of the circuit is 4 ohm and 4 ohm are parallel, that is 4 into 4 divided by 4 plus 4, 16 by 8 is 2 ohm. The total resistance of the circuit is 2 ohm. So the current I is E by R or V by R, that is 2 volt by the total resistance 2 ohm. So 2 by 2 is 1 ampere. So the net current in the following given circuit is 1 ampere. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you.